You might be thinking, what kind of video is this? There certainly cannot be a way to make money from YouTube without making videos. Well, you're about to have your mind blown away. There is no problem for you to earn even up to $2,000 a day from a single channel or even more. There are content creators who don't make videos for their channels and still earn a buck. Make sure you stay to the end of the video as we uncover the 8 tips to speed up your channel growth so you can make money faster. You might be thinking, how much can you make by creating a YouTube channel? On average, YouTube pays 50 cents to $6 per 1,000 views. Although the figures vary, most channels get paid 50 cents for 1,000 views. In simple words, if your video gets 1 million views, you'll make $500 just from one video. Now imagine if you upload 15 videos in a month and all of them get 1 million views. You'll be making $7,500 a month. And do you know what's amazing? You can make this much money without creating videos yourself. You just have to follow some simple steps in this video, so pay close attention. First of all, you need a YouTube channel. You most probably already have one, and if you don't, it's not difficult to get one. Register a Google account and start a YouTube channel with it. If you like, you can create many channels from a single Google account, which is also pretty easy. Just go to the YouTube settings and select Add a Channel. The next step would be to customize your channel to look like a professional brand. The second step is to decide on a niche. There are many niches you can pick from. Pick one that interests you the most. And make sure once you've decided on your niche, stick to it. This helps your channel with branding. And it's important that you only upload videos of the same content to your channel. Some of the niches that get a lot of attention and views are funny videos. Look at this channel. This man gets 1 million views on almost every single video. Videos are simple compilations of funny clips. Sports. We cannot deny the fact that people love sports. Every sports industry has die-hard fans, and they regularly watch these videos. Take a look. The videos mostly consist of match highlights from the Portuguese soccer team. And look at the views. Amazing, right? Finance. This niche is very important to viewers. I mean, can you find someone who doesn't want to make more money? Whenever a video on how to make more money pops up on your feed, you cannot resist but to watch it. Take a close look. This channel is making so much just by giving people tips on how to make money. Tech. If you are tech savvy, you can relate to this part. People love watching tech videos. They want to know what's new in the market. Mobile enthusiasts and tech geeks love spending their time on YouTube watching their favorite YouTuber telling them about technology. If you have a knack for tech, you can try your hands in this niche as well. Top 10s. This niche mostly covers every genre. You can make top 10 videos about cars, animals, facts, celebrities, and everything you can think of. This niche is the easiest in terms of its content. You can find clips and videos about these things easily on the web. You can also make videos on different niches as well. Just research niches by typing on the YouTube search bar to gauge the engagement of users towards different topics. Once you are done deciding on the niche, you've now progressed to creating the content for the channel. This involves gathering material from various sources. Other than YouTube, you may utilize other websites for this purpose. Pexels.com is one of the websites where you can source hundreds of stock videos and photos for free. Vidivo.net is a nifty website for finding good stock videos and photos. Just bear in mind that the materials used are copyright free. As you can see how simple it is to source content for a video. Once you have found all the resources you need for the topic you've chosen, you can then compile them to create a string of videos. You can then edit the video using different effects. Add your captions to the video to make it more interesting to watch. Make your list of top 10s, the latest updates of the Bitcoin news, or your compilation of the funniest videos on TikTok. OpenShot is a free editing software that you can use to edit your videos. Another element of a video is the narrative. This is another way you can add more originality to your content. You can get freelancers from Fiverr or Upwork to do the voiceover for your projects. Now that you have your channel and content ready, you can upload the videos to your YouTube channel. Remember to keep the thumbnail, title, and description original and catchy. We shall go through all of these one by one. Thumbnails should make the viewers want to click on the video. You can create good thumbnails by using software editing tools such as Canva or Figma. Just make sure to have big and catchy text to attract viewers. Thumbnails with enticing messages can attract viewers better. The title of the video is the next most important thing for a video to go viral. Firstly, it gives viewers the general idea of what the content will be, hence deciding whether to click on the video. Secondly, the title serves the purpose of the YouTube algorithm, or some would call it SEO. So the title should include terms that would appear on search results. Remember that the title should be something that viewers would search for. So ask yourself if the title is something you would personally search for on YouTube. Now, let's talk about the description of the video. The description of the video also serves the purpose of YouTube SEO. It should include keywords and tags that are relevant to your topic so that your videos get suggested by YouTube to be featured as often as possible. So you could earn as many views as possible and, in turn, make more money on the ads. You now have a YouTube channel with videos on it. So the next thing you want to do is monetize your channel. To monetize your channel, you will need to meet the basic requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. These two requirements might seem a little difficult to reach in the beginning, but they're not. You can easily achieve the two in 1 to 2 months if you are doing every step right, or at most 4 to 6 months if you make mistakes and keep trying, as long as you keep going and do not give up. Once monetized, YouTube will place ads on your videos and you will earn a part of the revenue. Ideally, you should make videos that are at least 8 minutes long so you can place ads in the video multiple times, every 2 minutes and at the beginning and end of the video. This way, you can maximize your ad revenue return. This is how you can make $700 a day or even up to $3,000 a day on YouTube without making videos. As promised, as a gift from us to you, we have come to the part of the video where we uncover the 8 secrets you've been waiting for. Number 1. Always pick a niche for your channel and only upload relevant videos. This will ensure a loyal audience. Like Unboxing Therapy only uploads tech-related videos. You won't find any videos about celebrities or basketball on the channel. Number 2. Create many channels to make more money on YouTube. You can create as many channels with different niches and categories as possible. In that way, you create more sources of income. Number 3. Upload at least 2 videos in a week so that the audience stays and returns to your channel consistently every week. Number 4. Include links to your other videos in the description of your videos to keep the audience engaged and increase your views on your other videos at the same time. Number 5. Make the thumbnails as catchy as possible because that is the main thing a viewer looks at before deciding whether to click on a video. If you have a very unique and interesting thumbnail, chances are that you are going to get a lot of views. Number 6. Look at the analytics of your videos often. Find out what videos get the most views and replicate the type of content to be uploaded. Find out what works and do it more often. Number 7. Don't forget about the audience retention, which can be seen clearly from the view duration of your videos. Ideally, you would want at least 60% view duration. That means your audience watched more than half of your video and therefore more than half of your ads. Number 8. Lastly, the click-through rate. This shows you how many people click on your video, which gives you a sense of how attractive your thumbnail is. You would want a minimum of 5% click-through rate. Along with that, 60% of view duration to make a good amount of money. Now let's get moving and create your channel. We'll see you again in the next video.